Hello my dear students. In this video we will discuss the capabilities of behavioral language. Now what is this capability of behavioral language? As we know that there are different hardware descriptive language, different hardware language. Then our behavioral language is how this behavioral language is a different compared to other hardware descriptive language. Or what exactly a difference of this behavioral language and other hardware language. So for that purpose we will discuss some capabilities of this language. So we will go first one by one. This language can also this language can be used as exchange the medium between chip vendors, CAD tools user. Different chip vendors can provide a behavioral description of their component to the system designer. CAD tool user can use it to capture the behavior of design at high level of abstraction for the functional simulation. The language can also be used as a communication medium between CAD SCAI tools. For example, a schematic capture program may be used to generate a behavioral description for the design, which can be used as an input to the simulation program. The language supports the hierarchy, that is, a digital system can be modeled as a set of interconnected components. Each component, in turn, can be modeled as a set of interconnected subcomponents. The language supports flexible design methodologies, top-down, bottom-up, or mixed. The language is not technology specific but is capable of supporting technology specific features. It can also support the various hardware technologies. For example, you may define the new logic type and a new components. You may also specific attributes. By being a technology independent, the same behavior model be used can be synthesized into the different vendor libraries. It supports the both synchronous as well as asynchronous timing models. The various digital modeling techniques such as finite state machine description, algorithmic description, and a Boolean equation can be modeled using language. The language is publicly available, human readable, machine readable, and above all, it is not a proprietary. It is an IEEE and ANSI standard, and therefore the model described using this language are portable. The government also has a strong interest in maintaining this as a standard so that reprocurement and a second sourcing may be easier. The language supports the three basic different description styles, that is structural, data flow, and behavioral. A design may also express in any combination of these three descriptive styles. It supports the wide range of abstraction levels ranging from abstract behavior description to the very precise gate level description. It does not, however, support the modeling at our below the transistor level. It also a design to be captured at a mixed level using a single coherent language. Arbitrarily, the large design can be modeled using the language, and there are a number of limitations that are imposed by the language on a size of design. The language has an element that make the large scale design modeling easier. For example, the component, function, procedure, and package. There is no need to learn the language for the simulation control. The test benches can be written using the same language to the test other behavioral model. The nominal propagation delay, min max delay, setup and hold timing, timing constraint, and spike detection can all be described very naturally in this language. The use of generic and attributes in the model of facilitate back annotation of the static information such as timing and placement information. The generics and attributes are also useful to describing the parametric design. A model cannot only describe the functionality of a design but can also the contain information about the design itself in terms of user defined attributes. For example, total area and speed. A common language can be used to describe the library component from different vendors, tools that understand the VHDL model will have no difficulty in reading models from variety of vendors. Since a language is a standard model, written in this language can be verified by the simulation. Since precise simulation semantics are defined for each language construct. The behavioral models that conform to certain synthesis description styles are capable of being the synthesized to get level description. The capability of defining the new data types provides the power to describe and simulates a new design techniques at a very high level abstraction without any concern about the implementation details. This is all about the capabilities. And in the university question also, my dear student, in the university oriented there is a one question will be definitely will ask you. That question is about that state and explain the capabilities of the this VHDL language, or how this VHDL language will be more easy or important compared to other hardware language. This as a question will be definitely asked in you in a university paper. So for that purpose we have to understand these 20 capabilities that I discuss here, and you have to write that 20 capabilities, and this types of theoretical question will be asked many times in the paper. Okay, so thank you so much.